Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Deepa Dhake's NEET Biology, and in today's session we are going to discuss about the most expected questions from breathing and exchange of gases, class 11th human physiology. Already we completed the 3 sessions about important topics of breathing and respiration. And now in today's session, we discuss about the important questions. So students, let's begin with the questions. Question 1. If expiratory reserve volume is 1100 ml, residual volume is 1200 ml and tidal volume is 500 ml, what shall be the functional residual capacity? 4 options are there. A 1600 ml, B 2800 ml, C 2300 ml and D 1200 ml. The correct option for this is C 2300 ml. Second question, what would happen when blood is acidic? 4 options are provided. A, binding of oxygen with hemoglobin increases. B, red blood corpuscles are formed in higher number. C, binding of oxygen with hemoglobin decreases. And D, there is no change in oxygen binding nor number of RBC. Correct answer for this question is C, binding of oxygen with hemoglobin decreases. Question 3rd, the impulse for voluntary muscles for forced breathing start in. 4 options are there. A, medulla oblongata, B, vagus nerve, C, cerebellum and D, cerebrum. The correct option for the third question is option A, medulla oblongata. Now the question 4th, body tissues obtain oxygen from hemoglobin because of its dissociation in tissues caused by A, low oxygen concentration and high carbon dioxide concentration, B, high oxygen concentration, C, low carbon dioxide concentration and D, high carbon dioxide concentration. Correct option student is A, low oxygen concentration in body cell or tissue and a high concentration of CO2 is mainly responsible for the dissociation of oxyhemoglobin. Question 5th, carbonic anhydrase is mostly active in. 4 options are A, RBC, B, WBC, C, plasma and D, platelets. Correct option you remember for 5th is A, RBC, because carbonic anhydrase is present inside the RBC. Question 6th is carbon monoxide has greater affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. 1000 times, 200 times, 20 times, 2 times. Correct answer for it is B, that is 200 times. Now we come towards the question 7. Match the column is there and column 1 and column 2 you appear on your screen. So A, larynx, B, trachea, C, alveoli and D, epiglottis. These 4 are provided in column 1 and in column 2 5 options are provided in P, Q, R, S. 4 options you are appearing on screen in the form of A, B, C, D. So the student correct option for this question is A, that larynx commonly called voice box, trachea is called as windpipe, alveoli are air sac and epiglottis students, epiglottis generally we say it is a lid of larynx. So the correct option for question 7 is A. Question 8, in alveolar air the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is. Mostly all of you know this answer. The correct answer for question 8 is A, that is 40 mm of Hg. Now we come towards the question 9. Hamburger's phenomena explains A, formation of bicarbonate ion, B, chloride shift, C. Oxygen saturation of hemoglobin, and D. Breathing mechanism. So Hamburger's phenomena, students, you remember answer B is there. Chloride shift during the transport of bicarbonate ion is also known as Hamburger's phenomena. Question 10. Arrange the following in order of increasing volume. A. Tidal volume, B. Residual volume, C. Inspiratory reserve volume, and D. Expiratory reserve volume. Question one time again you remember, increasing volume के terms में आपको arrange करना है, and for that we already study Terry word you remember. So the correct option for the question 10th is A, D, B, C, that is tidal volume, expiratory reserve volume, then residual volume and inspiratory reserve volume or IRV. Question 11. Whether a child die after normal birth or die after before birth can be confirmed by measuring tidal volume, residual volume, weight of the child and dead space here. So students, here you remember conceptual question is this. Normally you remember lungs float test is performed for knowing this condition. Tidal volume means when we breathe normally, then it is tidal volume. Weight of child यहाँ पे यूज ही नहीं होगा. Only if the death is take place before birth, then the respiration not begins in the child because it nutrient and oxygen or respiratory gases obtained from the maternal body. But if death is take place after birth, so nearly in 11 seconds breathing begins after birth, and after breathing somewhat residual volume is always present in lungs. So correct option you remember for 11th question is B, that is the residual volume is the correct option. If the residual volume is present in the lungs, that means the death is take place after birth. Now we come towards the question 12, that is carbon monoxide is more toxic than carbon dioxide because it damages lungs, formic acid with water, affect the nervous system, reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. So the correct option for question 12 is D, that is the carbon monoxide actually permanently bind with hemoglobin and it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. Question 13. If a man from sea coast goes to Everest peak, then A, his breathing and heartbeat will increases, his breathing and heartbeat will decreases, his respiratory rate will decreases, and D, his heartbeat will decreases. So the correct option is A, his breathing as well as heartbeat will increases. Question 14. The chloride shift occurs in response to hydrogen ion, potassium ion, bicarbonate ion and sodium ion. So the correct option is C for the 14th question, that is in response to bicarbonate ion, chloride shift occurs. Now the next question is question number 15. 15, 16, 17, 18 appear on your screen. The question 15, vital capacity of lungs is. 4 options are appear here and the correct option for the question 15 is A, that the vital capacity is a total sum of tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume and expiratory reserve volume. Question 16, when temperature decreases, oxyhemoglobin curve will become. Position आपको बतानी है और you question is asking basically for the shape. So here you remember 4 options are there. Curve become more steep, straight, parabola or all of these. Question 16, the correct option is A, that is a more steep because when the temperature increases, oxygen and hemoglobin binding is more and more take place or association of oxyhemoglobin is increases, and because of that curve is shifted towards left. That means the curve become more steep. Question 17, hypoxia is the condition in which less oxygen become available to the tissues. This may be due to 17 question, 4 options आपको provided है and the correct option is D, that is all of the above. Hypoxia, that means the condition when the low oxygen is reaches to the tissue, may be due to the low oxygen in atmosphere, more carbon dioxide is in air, or the less RBC in blood. All these conditions will lead to the hypoxia. Question 18. Which of the following factor raise the P50 value and shift the HbO2 dissociation curve to right and or vice versa? 4 options आपको provide है. Rise in partial pressure of carbon dioxide, fall in temperature, rise in hydrogen ion concentration, that means the pH become acidic or pH goes down, and D, fall in DPG आप generally कहते हैं, but diphosphoglyceric acid. So for this correct option for 18th question, you remember option D is the correct option. Now we come towards the question 19. These all questions are important, so you one time again go through the session. Two friends are eating together on a dining table. One of them suddenly starts coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of 4 options है, epiglottis, diaphragm, neck and tongue. Obviously, for question 19, answer is A, that is epiglottis. Question 20, emphysema is a condition in which most important question is this. A, respiratory center inhibited. B, lot of fluid in the lungs. C, the walls separating the alveoli break. And D, lungs have more oxygen. So students, correct question option for this question is C, the wall separating the alveoli break. Mainly the reason for this condition is regular smoking is the main cause of emphysema. We come towards the question 21. One of the following is a correct statement. A, all animals breathe. B, all animals do not breathe by respiratory organs. C, all cells of the animal body do not respire. And D, none of these. Correct option is B, all animals do not breathe by respiratory organs. Like some of the unicellular, like amoeba, they respired with the help of the plasma membrane or their body surface. So correct option, you remember, B is the correct option. Now we come towards the question number 22. Minimum concentration and pressure of carbon dioxide in alveoli of lungs that would be dangerous to men. 4 options are provided here. Out of these 4 options, the correct answer is A, that is 1% and 0 to 7 mm Hg. This is the concentration and pressure of carbon dioxide which is dangerous to humans. Question number 23. During normal respiration, without any efforts, the volume of air inspired or expired is called, again 4 options, tidal volume, reserve volume, residual volume, and none of these. So correct option for 23 is A, that is tidal volume. Now we come towards the 24th question. The concentration of carbonic acid does not increases in blood due to presence of sodium ions, magnesium ion, calcium ion and potassium ion. So the correct answer for 24th question is C, calcium ion maintain the concentration of carbonic acid. Now the question 25th, again this is most important question. Respiratory center is present in cerebellum, cerebrum, medulla oblongata and hypothalamus. So the correct option is medulla oblongata. So students, these are the most expected and important questions from the breathing and exchange of respiratory gases. I hope you like this session. The students who are connected today, they like my video, subscribe my channel, and secondly, the new sessions when come, by that time you stay motivated.